How to create a subscript and a superscript in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a subscript and a superscript in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Canva and head over to any design that you want to. After you're there, you'll simply need to be on this canvas where you will need to type T to add a text box. After you type in T, your text box will get added. Now just type in X. After you type in X, now you can increase its size. So let us just increase this size. And after increasing the size, now what you'll need to do is just tap somewhere else and completely remove the selection. Now type in T again. After you type in T, here you will need to type in 2, which whatever your on the power you want it to be. Let me resize this a bit as well. So let me just do this. Let me just drag this a bit here first and increase its size. So after you get the required size, now you'll have to move this right here. Now, as you might have noticed that these two are two different texts. So if you move one, the other one won't follow. So that's not basically what we want. What we'll now do is select both of these. So let me just do that here. So let me select both of these. And here you'll find a group option. Tap on group and now they are one. Now what you can do is you can simply drag it and drop it and as you want. So that's basically how you create a subscript and superscript in Canva. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.